Hey, good morning YouTube, good morning Instagram, good morning Twitter. How's everybody doing this morning? Hope everybody's doing good. Um, Today we got Chicago PMI. Nothing too crazy. Um, just gonna really just like always focus best on price action and Alright, ladies, just my bad. I was updating the socials a bit. Excuse me. Alright, so far I haven't even marked up my charts yet, so go ahead and do that. We had a nice move on GJ. That's already played out at this point, but um, it was definitely a pretty nice move. Go ahead and mark on my charts first. I feel like very soon we're gonna start pulling back sometime. I just gotta be very patient. Hopefully our lower time frames can kind of help us get that uh slight bias. Maybe we can find something. Just getting my all-time lows, all-time highs. I believe if gold, I mean this is huge. I mean this is weekly candle, so definitely gotta rethink this through. Um, but yeah, I mean if the weekly candle pushes below here, we might want to try and fill this wick and then continue to push down. So form support, start pushing back up, potentially range in between these price ranges between like 1450 and 1600 pretty much. It could be a big possibility. I need to make sure I'm speaking up in my mic. A few times I've noticed I haven't been the most clear on my chat. Sorry, but I've been so quiet too, guys. It's been like in the zone. It's been thinking. Interested to see what gold does. If it's gonna hold the support or if it's gonna break past it. We got 25 minutes left in that candle on the hourly as well. But we are from a support in 30, so something to keep in mind. Could just want to stay up in this range. But it's a possibility since the 30 minutes still pretty strong, but the hourly is trying to close bearish. And most likely will. So with that in mind, we can potentially see this playing out. Potentially. We also got Chicago PMI, I believe, at a weird time, like 8:45. 8:45. Probably give us a little bit of volume. It's right around New York Stock Exchange. So, by the way, I'm Central Time for anybody that's ever into the streams. That's why I've adjusted my charts to the time so that my time and everything like that are all coordinated together. Whole bunch of delicate situations. Yeah, so the GJ play, this could have easily played out 6:30. Hop into sales 7:30. Price would have just carried down at this point. It would have been super smooth play, super smooth. Yo, what's up, IG? Good morning. Hold on. Messed that up. Hey, good morning, IG. We're back. Monday. We here. Chicago PMI, 8:45. Tap the link. I'm gonna put a link right here. If anybody can come on and just drop a like on the stream, you ain't gotta watch the whole thing. Anybody that just wants to, just tap in. It's like a little podcast. But there's live trading, MT5 shown. I have the link right here. Thank you so much for tapping in with me. Appreciate y'all. All right. Whew. Gotta get better at my speaking. So at this point, I'm gonna take a look at gold. Having it marked up. Oh, there we go. We're starting to get a push down here. Um, Honestly, at this point, I'm gonna get ready to impulsive entry. Just wants to, just tap in. It's like a little podcast. But there's live trading, MT5 shown. I have the link right here. Thank you so much for tapping in with me. Appreciate y'all. Hey, good morning, IG. We're back. We here. We almost broke that. Ooh, gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. So it's kind of interesting to see we're starting to reject right here. Hourly candle's gonna be closing here relatively soon, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna, if it's gonna maybe close for support on the hourly time frame. I'm going to remove my open now at this point because it's not really nearing anywhere I want. GJ is pretty much already playing out, doing what it's doing. It's probably going to continue down to about 170 or yeah, 170, 150. And gold, I'm a little iffy. Just gonna wait till the candles close and see how price action plays out up until, I just gonna really try and focus on not getting impatient. Let's just say that. That'd be the best way. A huevo, companata. Alright, let's see, let's see. Let's go back to our trading view real quick. So at this point, I'm really like primarily looking for sales. Um, I do understand it could stay within this range, but at this point, I feel like with momentum today, I feel like we can most likely push down to 1620. We just gotta stay pretty, like, absolutely gotta stay delicate in these markets. This is more of an interesting time to trade. We're not really much on the pullback at this point, and the sell-offs almost. And not fully, we're scalpers, right? So still plenty of opportunities in the markets. There are always opportunities in the markets. But what I mean is, our entries got to be. Our entries are gonna be more difficult at this point, I feel. So let's just be very critical and mindful of our entries. So now we're on the hourly. I need to put. I need to figure out how I can get my chart where it has It says like 1 hour, like my time frame on the background and like what chart it is. Cause I have it. I have it. My webcam is blocking it. But this is gold. If nobody knows, this is the gold chart right now. You can probably tell by price levels if you have experience trading it, but um, if anybody's tapping in and doesn't have any experience, this is gold. This is the gold market chart. Excuse me. So yeah, at this point, really, I'm gonna stay out of sales. Obviously that's more towards like that's more of my bias at this point. I do feel more confident entering sales. Thing is, I'm not gonna enter sales unless we break past the support here at pretty much 16. I'm gonna put it down because I'm gonna write this down. Put a little analysis. Yeah, I get 1636. I want to get a close at least below that. Actually, I'm lying. I'm lying. If we can get a close, yeah, something like that. If we can get a close below these candles here, if we start breaking past this wick, though, I need to be ready for the impulse of entry. So, no time to waste. I gotta start typing because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually gonna get this ready, so I don't have to do this like last second. Yeah, something like that. I feel like a reasonable take profit would be 1628.35. That's cool. Excuse me. But like I said before, like right now, this gives perfect opportunity to I can type out my thoughts a little bit here. Um, but I just want to have that ready just in case our impulsive entry did appear. I wanted to be able to be ready to hop into the markets. Alright, alright. Ain't gonna lie, boys and girls. Took a BR and that motherfucker got me so. Shit got me choked up. I just gotta dial it in though. Dial it in right here, right here. Here we go. I'm gonna stay disciplined and not buying the support here. From the higher time frames, it doesn't seem like the best idea. It's a little risky. Maybe look to enter buys maybe past this point, even though it's still even not the greatest either. I think having that higher time frame in the back of my head makes me more cautious with getting into buys. I mean, we are getting to that area though. Oh no, no, I put this as a take profit. I forgot. Let me change this color real quick. We got like another hour, or no, excuse me, like 40 minutes up until NYSE. We are in New York session at this point. Mm. I cannot type. Hold on. Can look. Sound like I'm going hella fast, but I'm just I'm just typing like 3 words. Alright, see. Can the club below? Oh my god! Thank God it didn't enter there, cause it like I mean not really. It didn't break. Thank God it didn't enter. That was so close. So, excuse me. Okay, so my analysis here is gonna be definitely like I feel still confident on that impulsive entry, but at this point I'd like to see it push past at least its own price level it's already went to, cause didn't have no momentum, and we didn't technically fully break this. So once we break 1635, 69, 16, okay, let's see. Wait, oh yeah, 6 minutes up until this candle closes. Yeah, the pullback spot's not till 1614. At least on higher time frame. Not saying it can't. 30-minute candles, hourly candles can't react off these supports as well, but definitely want to see a candle close below. It's definitely not doing that. Kinda is. It kinda wants to, but it kinda doesn't. So, um, we're in a delicate situation. Part of me doesn't want to answer, honestly. Doesn't seem right. Like I want to see. I want to see a pretty good candle if it's gonna like this candle definitely not. We're gonna refrain from any sales. Don't think it's worth the risk at that point. So we got GJ on this side. Just curious to see how GJ reacts. GJ would have been honestly the trade to be this morning. Um, yeah, honestly this morning, right there that close, 171, 575. Oh my God, that's a fire entry. And that happened at 6:30. I didn't hop onto the stream till about 7:10. So um, running late on that. So definitely that's another reason why I want to be delicate in the markets, because that I know that's a by the book, easy, simple play, easy time to get 10 pips. You know, secure 90% of our position, put stop loss break even, just let the rest run. Um, if I had to, yeah, I just don't know. The sales here very iffy on gold, and personally, I don't like them right now. Like, I'm not gonna answer. Still got 4 minutes though, so 4 minutes can do a lot, for real, for real. In 4 minutes we can fill this wick and go past that. So we'll see. And I do understand, like, I got my MT5 set up like this, but I'm gonna be taking profit, you know, 10 pips, pretty much 90% of my position, let the rest run. GJ is still pushing down really nice. I'm curious to see how far I might want to push down. I mean, price is up super high right now. Got 3 minutes. We've already made the top wick. Not gonna lie, something tells me, like, just never know. It's weird. Jesus, in a weird spot. We had a huge top wick. Could we just want to melt with GJ? But like I said, I missed my entry, so really kind of takes the taste out of my mouth trying to enter sales, because nothing would feel worse than getting burnt on a play like this, trying to enter sales and just losing because you just missed the entry. Which will require more waiting. Obviously, it's gonna be waiting, like, a lot longer because we missed that play at 6:30. But um, there's always opportunity. It's like trading's always good because it like balances out your patience, everything like that. It's like a lot of concepts in trading that you can try and really apply in life too. I feel like it's super beneficial. My mindset's definitely changed over the years of me trying to trade and become a profitable trader. It's definitely changed, like, perception, how I see things and stuff like that. You realize in life how much everything's about probability. I got a minute. It's not looking terrible. Don't like that though. I don't want to answer that. That sounds yeah, this is so weird. Getting kind of excited because it's like it's in between two biases right now. In between not entering and in between entering, so it's iffy. If I'm really probably gonna focus heavily, if price does break below, I'm gonna stick to my analysis. Um, I will take on the risk, but one thing I'm going to do is really, like, if I go like 8, 9 pips drawdown, boom, we are 50% in the position. Not hesitating. Sometimes I've been, trying to fit around 15 pips, trying to let the play like last longer. But in moments like this, like, it's just not like sustainable price action. Um, I'm kind of looking just to get in really solid entries and be in and out of my plays fairly quick. Uh, and I don't want to be in a position that I can deal with like super drawdown. Right now we got 25 seconds, so it's like real weird. I don't know. Part of me wants to stay out of this. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think I'm gonna stay out of this up until NYSE. We'll see what NYSE brings. I still have my impulsive entry set up, so if it does, it just like flood past if it opens, but it's not closing where I want. Yeah, we're gonna stay out of this. Could start pushing down, to our impulsive sells. Then I'll answer that at that point, but I'm just gonna stay out of it. Let's go take a look at GJ. Alright, we're starting to get our push down here. Although I'd still like it to form more of a top wick. We haven't formed much of a top wick, which I can honestly see that happening. Like obviously we're pushing down right now, but I feel like there's still a very high chance especially on this 30 minute, we push back up. Price is gonna start pushing back up here, and then we'll eventually start pushing down. Um, has the opportunity to do that with the we have made a slight top wick though, so I can't just like not see that as well. So our impulsive entries might end up playing out here. Let's bring the stop loss a little bit tighter. Alright, that's good. That's good. So like I said, we could be making a top wick at this point. Which is like super definitely common. Like we haven't made too much of a top wick anyway, so I was like, I feel like it's not like right. Price is gonna wanna push up and go to make a top wick and then continue price to the downside. Hear my fucking gulp. Colin, 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 Colin. I'm not doing shit with this right now. Now, if I'm being honest, like, if you took the risk, let's see. If we took the risk, right, hypothetically, right, I'm cool. I'm cool with the fact that I didn't personally. But if I did feel risky, I mean, it was right at that point. I was like, hell no. It would have literally just been 10 pips. And that's not regarding, like, maybe at 2 pip spread. If I had 2 pip spread, then two pip, if I had 2 pip spread, it's like, that's only 8 pips. So, uh, I'm really not tripping at this point. And like I said, honestly, I feel like this is just a top weight. I truthfully feel like that it could easily, if it closed like the close, it's trying to form support, yada, yada yada. But personally, I feel like it's just gonna want to come up here, make a like a wick like this, something like this, right? And then it's gonna want to push down. Only reason why I feel so confident about that push down though. Ooh, hold on. I didn't pay attention too much to that 4 hour, but that 4 hour bearish candle looks pretty bad. Looking like this candle wants to hold support. It could very well, right? But I see how it's looking right here. I just feel like at this point, this daily candles just want to push down at this point. At least 1628, at least today. But that's why we just gotta find that right entry. That's why we're trying to be patient. And NYSE is in about 25 minutes. So with that being said, entries are definitely possible in 25 minutes. But just depends on how price action looks as well. But wow, you know, a GJ though, wow. I will say that GJ it was looking beautiful. I really want to yeah, I'm so glad I stayed out of that. So glad. Just because it just looked like such a good area to also catch support lower time frames, right? Lower time frames, it looks perfect situation just to hold support, everything like that. I know higher time frames still looks like price wants to push down, but um, when this candle closed, the close price on this candle in specific, definitely not it. If this candle closed more down here, I would have felt better on entering. If we would have pushed up like we did here and started making support, it is what it is. Out of reduce risk to try and manage my position as best as best as possible. But we didn't enter. That's a plus, and we're respecting our analysis. Number one, because my analysis, I mean, we'll see where price closes because I was pretty much spot on right there. Whoa. Oh, this is monthly. Hold on. Well, we all know we seen what happened with Go. I ain't gonna go back to that. I'm gonna mark this up though. I need to make me a little tea. I'm not gonna lie. Some tea sounds so fire. So fire. A little green tea. Might do that during the stream if we gotta do any more waiting, cause I don't wanna be without it low key. That's just so good. It's like relaxing in the morning too. A little bit of tea. I ain't gonna lie. I love this Forex thing though, cause man, I'm not gonna lie. It would be so cool to wake up. I mean, I gotta know my time frame. I don't know what time like New York session would be, uh, like in Prague, right? But like, bro, that would be so dope, man. Being like Prague or something with like castles and shit, right? You, that would be tough as hell. Sipping on some tea in the morning, hearing the birds chirping. Oh my god, that'd be the best thing, bro. I'd be kicking my feet up. Prague, go shopping at night. That should be tough. Get dripped out. That'd be tough. I'm not gonna lie. Eat some good food. Enjoy the weather and stuff like that. Yeah, that would be tough. Like the freedom to do that would be hard. When's the last time we even pushed up here? Wow, since 2015. Holy, definitely all time highs. Oh my goodness. The pandemic? Isn't it crazy? Prices shot up. That's fucking lit. Alright. What a beautiful time, like, to be able to learn. Like, learning through all that was, it was something. It was great, though. Good experience. I just want to make sure, like, when the markets are very consolidated and not the best explosive time periods, I want to be able to just understand that, secure 10 pips, in and out positions daily. Boom, that shit. That would make me feel great. Holy smokes, I'm not even paying attention to gold. See what's happening here. Uh-oh, it's starting to come back down. Yeah, the impulsive entries would be nice. Damn, I couldn't have been more perfect. See, at 1635.59, that's gonna be where I'm gonna impulsive entry as soon as price breaks that. That's gonna help me so I can just quickly flip back to my MT5 and understand whether I'm gonna enter. Candle starts closing like this. It's like 828. Maybe buy support because NYSE's, might be something I consider honestly because now I'm thinking about NYSE is this next 30-minute candle, and we could have the volume to push back, emulate the same move here, secure at 10 pips. You know, price comes back down, boom. Whatever happens at that point, happens. But I want to be able to secure 90% of my position, and I want to be able to, excuse me, stop loss break even, make it a risk-free trade. Because that's easily, but possibility, and that's probably. I got two options there, and I feel like either way, we're gonna be probably getting to a trade here at 8:30. And win or lose, I'm gonna do my best to really manage it well. And I'm excited to get in a trade every time. Like it's always exciting, especially in moments like this. Like I feel like there's a good probability to at least get us to 10 pips. Now I know anybody just hopping on right now is like, bro, you have your shit set up for a sell right now. Um, I'm waiting for impulsive entries if that ever happened. Higher time frames, in my opinion, look like it wants to keep pushing to the downside, but I do understand lower time frames could want to push back up when we could take slight opportunity in securing 10 pips by buying a support, depending on how price is looking. But I did get that up, so that's cool. So if price does push down, going to look at my MetaTrader real quick. Let's go back to. So that's something else to consider though too. But I feel like price being so high, I feel like sales is only right. Oh man, I will say that wow, that very impressive. Like, was there news at that time? 6:30. Let's see what happened. Was there anything at 6:30, 5 a.m.? No, not for real. Hmm. It's a good push down. Price is just so high. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm tripping. I was looking at the price. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, oh shit, we're pushing back down. There's nothing worse than missing an impulse of entry when you're expecting it. Because when impulse of entries happen sometimes, especially with gold, they happen too quick. So this is the new 15-minute candle opening as well. I wonder if this 15-minute candle gives us the aggressive push down. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I got really quiet just because I was pretty focused. I was thinking I had a bunch of thoughts going through my head. I really wasn't talking. I need to get better at like speaking my mind because I am on stream. I try to make it a podcast best I can, but I feel like half the time I know I'm just talking to myself. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. I was trying to put it in my mind like if I had a million people watching me, how am I gonna act? You know, I gotta relatively act like that. And so my apologies if I am quiet right now. I'm just getting my thoughts together. Um, expecting price to try to just maybe jump down quick on me. I want to be able to react quick in the markets and be fluid, get in my position as quick as possible once it breaks that price level. But it starts to look like we're starting to play around with it. With this candle opening though, the new 15, I just want to see how price is looking because we got NYC coming up. So maybe before NYC even starts, we can get this push down. I'm also kind of thinking if I want to get into two positions. Getting closer to our point. Just gonna hold up until it breaks. I can't get into it till it breaks. I'm gonna actually double position it. Alright, so that was weird. It didn't open the trade there when I hit double trade. So we're floating right now, just 3 pips profit. Got my finger up on the 50% just in case. Second we hit 10 pips though, I am gonna close custom at 90% of my position, and then the rest at stop loss break even. Yeah, that was weird. I hit double trade and it made the sound like I entered something, but I entered nothing. Maybe it's because I don't have it activated. So now we're starting to push up. 4, 7. Alright, pips. 8 pips drawdown. I 50% my position. Uh, don't want to take any more risks at that point. Could very well become a losing position. It's just at that point I'm not, you know, we don't want to lose a substantial amount of money, especially in a losing position. But fortunately, we couldn't get the push down in the time we wanted. But it's just how it be sometimes, you know. It's how it be. So looking to just manage the position at this point. Yeah, so definitely I feel good about high 50%. We're gonna be losing a lot less at this point. And if we start pushing down towards profits, that's also good too. It gives me, and maybe I can scale in, but it just all depends. All depends. With NYC coming in soon, I could see it very well being an opportunity. Might enter a second position. Okay, so now I'm entered 2 positions full. Well, not full. I got one 50% and one full. Looking to get one of my positions to hit 10 pips. Once we hit 10 pips, then I will 50% or close 90. And move my stop loss to break even. But just gotta manage this point really. Just gotta stay calm. Um, can't let nothing really affect my emotions too much. Um, is what it is. Just gotta manage the best I can. Sitting decent right now, but I really want to see that push. We're just not seeming to continue that push down. So very interesting right now. Hopefully at this point we just keep continuing down, just get that 10 pips. Once we secure 10 pips, I'd feel real confident and or just feel much better being in a risk-free position. We've yet to really push even 7 pips profit in either position, so I'm really looking to make that happen, man. We gotta start pushing. I feel like at this point it's only right price continues down. So we're about halfway there. We're getting close, but we're just like playing around, man. It's like, sometimes it's like so. It'd be cringe as hell sometimes. It's like, dude, come on. Is what it is, though. We're like 3 pips away. There you go. Come on, goat. You got it. We got it, baby. We pushing down. Come on out. Like a little rally kit. A dugout dude. Trying to hype up gold. Oh no. Something to push back up. Got 3 minutes till the candle closes. New York Stock Exchange starts up. Hopefully at that point, volume kicks in. Continue this push to the downside. Still got a lot of volume in the markets at this point too. It is New York session, so it's not like there's not any volume at all. Of course, just like any position, I'd love to see it go successful, but it's a very delicate situation we're in. Mm. Cut it at the wrong time. At this point, I'm just gonna put stop loss break even. I ended up 50% at the wrong time. I didn't get the full 10 pips, so that's a little embarrassing. Um, yeah, it is what it is. At this point, if I did that, I'd rather just go stop loss break even, um, and just hold. We got a decent position, um, and we do have NYSE push in. So got some really small positions running, so really not shit. Um, yeah, it was okay. It was okay. So we secured. Got some exposure there. Let's see. It's closing nice. yeah, I mean at this point it's just like doesn't matter too much. I mean, if the play rolls through, that's great. Um, mm, a little bit disappointed I didn't catch it at the right time with my position, at least with the 10 pips, but it's okay. Um, just gotta be a little bit more patient. I was just like, it was playing me for so long. I got nervous a little bit, and I was like, damn, I just want to make sure I secure what I can. I don't want to like just, you know, I didn't want to miss it basically. So yeah, now we're at NYSE, so could play out super nicely at this point. And then with Chicago PMI as well. We're moving down pretty good at this point. I wonder if Chicago P would take us out. Chicago PMI. Could be a possibility. Could be a possibility. I was just going to hold just because fuck it. I didn't, if we push down, we push down. And that'd be lit. But like right now, price is pushing back up. We should see how this works out. At this point, it looks like it's going to push back up. I don't know why the candle want to push up like that and then push back down. Yeah, so that's not surprising at that point, honestly. It's stop that break even, no worries. For real. Can't really complain. Best we could have done, maybe hold a little bit more, Wait for that better push down to secure the 10 pips profit, but I'm not worried about it either way. Pretty damn good trade, regardless. Okay, señores. Waiting right now at this point, man. Not gonna lie. I don't know which support to buy. I know I've taken two trades, 1 to 2 trades every day. I think I am gonna take a slight risk on one more position, and that one more position, in my opinion, so far looks to be GJ. In my opinion, both of these pairs on higher time frames relatively look like more they want to be on the sell-off, but I am gonna play off lower time frames and see how they work out. We still got 20 minutes left in the candle. We have a lot of time for both of these candles to flip and or become very, very weak bullish candles. In the event that happens, you know, just gonna call it a day. Just gonna stay off the stream and call it a day. Come back tomorrow. Look to get more opportunities in that sense. Um, so yeah, right now, looking forward to entering these buys here. Um, Personally, feeling like GJ looks the better pair to trade. We're literally reacting off that gap to the top side. So I'd like to see it hold this. To be honest, I really would. I really would. Um, what worries me though, since price is so high, right? Something tells me this is what it's gonna happen. What worries me is if this candle closes how it is, right? Price is gonna eventually push up just slightly, and this what if we can get the 10 pips in that moment, great. That's why I love to secure the 10 pips, stop loss break even, boom. At that point, if it comes back, it shits on us, right? But my biggest worry since price is so high, we're at 171, we're at like all-time highs for sure. Um, Price could easily just close. It could go maybe up a little bit and play with us, maybe like 6 pips, right? And then boom, I can just see it having a huge leg down, straight down, and then maybe we creep back up, and then we'll start ranging like right here for a little bit. I'm kind of seeing something like that, and if I was to enter sales, it would be like the break of that level right there. But there is no bottom wick on either of these candles, so that tells me very well that price action has no interest on any further push to the downside. Not to say the 16 minutes can't make that happen, right? If that happens, that's when I'm going to have more of that in my head at this point. Like we could easily, instead of buying the support, I'm just gonna be patient, wait for the price to push down. We can just keep continuous move to the downside. Um, that is like in the top of my head type shit. Hold on. But knowing that we don't have no wick right now, and we're here at a gap to the top side, I too. But yeah, now that we got that, now we got that to the top side though. This could look nice. This could look nice for real. Sorry about that, chat. I'm just responding to some messages. Waiting for this candle to close pretty much. $10 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh my. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh my, yeah, 10 minutes for me not to get to play. Hold on, I just saw that candle reject so much. Let's go look like right now. Hey, gold looking smooth though. But gold, I don't know. Gold could easily them wicks is nuts. I'm cool. I'm cool on that. And something I did notice, ladies and gentlemen, we have made a bottom wick. So personally, I'm probably gonna look to just scale into the impulsive entry. Something tells me I don't think it's gonna hold support. Ladies and gents, I don't know, man. I mean, best case scenario is to stay out of it at this point, right? Which is probably what I'm gonna do. Excuse me. Was most likely what I'm gonna do. I'm just considering really at this point, considering whether it's like, I just don't know. Still no, I'm a little hesitant. Definitely the GJ idea has gone away though. That's gone. And now buying the support on gold though is like something that's on my mind. I feel like at this point, the price is gonna start acting real weird with GJ. We already pushed down a lot. I'm not gonna lie, part of me does kind of want to buy this. So, ladies and gents, I believe I am gonna enter this buy. Gonna look to secure 10 pips and then close 90% and let the rest run. Gonna be 50%ing my position. Gonna have a relatively lower stop loss than usual, but I have maybe a 15 pip, probably 50% around 8 pips drawdown. Got 50 seconds left. Let's check our spread. Spread does not look bad. We're at basically like a pip and a half. Ooh. Got like 30 seconds. We're so close. So close. I saw 10 pips at that point. Hey, we're just gonna close it. We're just gonna close it at that point. If it pushes up more at this point, pushes up. Uh, not gonna, not gonna trip bet it too much. All right, ladies and gents. Kind of broke a little bit of rules today. Usually I only do 1 to 2 trades a day. Today we did 3. Um, got into a buy position right after our sell. We are now floating profits. It's a risk-free trade. Stop loss break even. Looking to secure relatively around 1642. Is really gonna let it run. Not really tripping at this point. We secure what we can. Very profitable day. It's a great Monday. And again, really just thanks to everybody who tapped into my stream. I really appreciate any like that anybody dropped, man. Shit, it means a lot. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Everybody have a great day and happy Halloween. I'm gonna mute my mic so y'all don't gotta keep it. Hell yeah, ladies and gents. So at this point, we're still pushing up. Looking really solid. Can't really complain. Well, chat, we were getting close there to the take profit up there, but starting to reject down just a little bit. If price ends up going all the way back down to entry, it is what it is. But personally, I'm probably gonna just kind of hold. I'll probably take profit to be honest, like early, like manually. If it goes back up to the wick. But at this point, I just like might as well hold, you know? Trying to see if I can catch a little highlight on the stream, trying to hit that 300. Trying to get that 30 pip. If anybody's joining the stream at this point, like I said, we've already closed 90% of our position at that point, and it's just like a runner, just running at this point. Super low lot, super low leverage. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Super nice day, super nice trades. Si, senor. What a great day. What a great day. Alright, chat. I'm gonna hop off here at this point. Um, very good trading day. Appreciate everybody tapped into the stream. If you can drop a like on my stream, I'd appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow in the morning. See you guys probably I'll say about 6:30. Hop on the stream and we'll start getting into some plays. All around great positions today. We had plays at 6:30 in the morning that unfortunately I didn't enter. We had sales play out for us impulsively. Um, and then we got a candle close position as well. Candle close position actually turned out much more better than the impulsive entries, but regardless, they were all profitable positions, and I appreciate everybody for just tapping in. So thank you guys so much for tapping in my streams. See you guys on Tuesday. Excuse me, tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks everybody for tapping in. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, happy Halloween. All my viewers.